Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you how to generate the Excel report in the system. Okay, if you want to generate the Excel report by the pop-up, like from the wizard, you can generate. If you want to generate the by the button, you can do it. Okay, both of you. So basically, I will tell you the basic things how to generate the Excel report. If by default, Odoo give the Excel report. If you want to generate Excel report, if you want to download the data in the Excel report, so some features is given by default Odoo. But if you want to do it, export the data in your Excel report format, so system is not do it. Okay, you have to code do it. So basically we will know in this video and create a one module. In that module we will generate the one Excel report format. Okay, so basically I install the sales module. So now I'm going to the sales module. So this is the sales module. If I am opening any record, and that record here you can see. So first is the sales number, after that the customers, the date, payment term, okay, and this order line. If you check here, if you want to generate an Excel report, so here is the only PDF report. Okay, there is no option to export the report in the Excel format. So like I want to generate the Excel report, from that report like above is coming the customer, order, like for example I am download the quotation, PDF quotation. So let's see how it will see. So most of the module you can download from the web, but I want to going to learn, teach you basically the how to generate the Excel report. So let me download the quotation. Is coming correct or not? 30. Okay. Okay, so here is you can see. So first is the customer name, then order, that is. So want to generate the Excel report same this format. Okay, so how will do? You can format according to, but I'll tell you the basic thing how to generate the Excel report in that format. Okay, let me download once again. Actually, why a PDF is not downloading correctly? Actually, my um, WKHTML version is so. Let's see again. So it's coming blank. Okay, one more time. Still is blank. Okay, no issue. I'm going to the setting. Here is the technical. Go to the report, quotation, PDF. So PDF quotation I want to do it in HTML. Okay, now go to the sales, open the report, and so see here there is the order date, then the customer invoice address, and salesperson and this. So I want to generate same data report in the Excel format. Okay. Now I'm taking a one screenshot first. Okay, I'm not taking a first screenshot. So here create a one module name is a practice. In that module I created a some folder models result. So basically what I do, so in the sales order I give a one button. In that button once I click on the button, my report will be download, or you can do it by the server action. Okay, so first time create a Python file, init file, internal init file, then after that sales order, sales order. In the sales order, from model import model with API, then this. After that, a class sales order model dot model. This is the regular model. Inherit the existing object. Okay, after that link the file here. Import dot import sales order. After the model will import here. Dot import models. Okay, my linking is finished, and after that give the dependency here sale model name, and here create a sale order with file sales order After that, link the sales order file inside the manifest. Go to the manifest, give the path properly and link. Okay, my file is linking and create, generate, generate sales order Excel report. XLS report. Okay, after that, print. Let's see, function is working or not. Let's check. Okay, go to the sales views. So I want to add one button here first. Then click on the developer mode. Go to the here and copy the path and through it and copy the existing inherit view. So I'm gonna copy the existing inherit view. After that, little bit this. Then remove the extra thing. Now remove the extra thing here from here. After that, go to the here inside the header. I want to add one button. Okay, like this. Remove the extra path. Okay, and invisible attribute also remove. My button is object type. Okay, next name is Excel report. Excel report. After that, give the function name inside the name. Okay, that thing is done. After that, rename the ID name of the view Excel report. Go to the here Excel dot report. Okay, now reload. Give the path of the custom add-ons in the configuration file. Go to the configuration and write the command and paste the path. Then click on restart the servers. Once I restart the server, go to the here. Now go to the application and update the app list. Once I update the app list, my model will be visible here. Then click on the activate. Once I click activate, my model will be installed and go to the sales. Now open my function button is coming here. Once I click here, my button will be execute and here you can see the uh, terminal. Here is a remove extra thing and once I click on the button, so my function is running. Okay, that thing is done. So what I do right now, I want to generate the Excel report like this format. Okay, so let's first I taking the screenshot. Okay, I take the screenshot, go to the chat GPT. Okay, and chat GPT upload the screenshot here and after that the my function name my function name that sorry my function name remove extra thing my function name and paste in the chat GPT. Now give the prompt, so you have to give good prompt. If you give the good prompt, then it will create code according to the format and your prompt according to your prompt. Okay, I want to generate Excel report similar similar to image given given here given here. Okay, please complete the function. So let's see and click on the enter. Once I click enter, so ChatGPT write the code everything and download. Okay, so it's writes the code for you. Okay, it's write the code. Now only copy the code. Only copy the function code. Okay, I'm only copy and go to the my file and select all and paste here. Only I copy and paste here. Okay, that's thing I do. Then click on restart the server. Let's see what we do. Go to the one step back and click on export report. Once I click on export report, here you can see sale order number 007 and sale order report Excel format in the Excel format. If I am expand, so here you can see company name is coming, customer name, address name, phone number, order date, sale person, description, quantity, unit price, amount, and the total. Everything is coming here. You can do it the format. If you want to give like a, if you want to give the color in the background, if you want to give that color, you this. If okay, you can do it in the change. So here is the format. Okay, so you have to give here the uh, background image. So busy is the busy color is the background image. So every code, everything is ChatGPT will write for you, but that's it. Only thing you have to give the prompt, good prompt, and the screenshot. So it will give you the good thing. Okay, only what I do in a 20 minute I generate the Excel report and add a one button. So that's the thing. Okay, you know the basic thing. If you want to give the see here also taking the technical name from the and also the clean and clear code. Okay, so thank you. If you have still any confusion, please let me know and comment down in the video section. So we will come back to the next video. Thank you.